So I believe of humans as tea bags. We all have our own expertise, our own knowledges, um, something we excel at, something we're extraordinary at. We just need to be put under pressure. We just need to be forced to that breaking point where we just burst out. It's like how a butterfly works. Like after the cocoon breaks open is actually when you can see the colors. And I think life is like that. Like you cannot dream of yourself into a character. You need to hammer it inside yourself and you have to forge one. It's not something you can get it um, lazily or just by ignoring all the tough decisions you have to take. You have to be able to be accountable. You have to be optimistic. You have to be curious and sincere. And you have to have the desire. And I would say having all that is what makes up life. But I'm also still learning about it. So I don't say that's a definite answer. But currently, I believe yes. I believe that's what life is, being able to grow and put yourself out there. So, yeah.